Here's a pair of Beats Solo 4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The phone that I'm using is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, okay? So first thing is you need to go to your settings on your Android phone. So on this phone here, I can swipe up. I'm going to go to settings right there. And then from here, you want to go to your Bluetooth settings, okay? On this phone here, it says connections, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode. So Bluetooth is there, so I'm going to tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And then I'm going to tap right there. And now if I scroll down, it says pair devices here. These are all my other headphones and earbuds that I had paired before, okay? But now we want to go down to available devices. And under here, it's when I tap on scan, it's searching under available devices, it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me, okay? I already see my Beats Solo 4 because these are already in pairing mode. But let me go ahead and open this up. So you'll know what's in pairing mode. You have like one power button on one side and the other side is where your LED light is, okay? When the light is blinking white, 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 it's in pairing mode, okay? If you open these up and you turned it on and it's not blinking white, 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 then to put it into pairing mode, you can also press and hold that power button, okay? We'll do it together. Ready, set, go. I'll press and hold. I'm gonna keep on holding now, and now just wait till it starts blinking white, white again, just like that. Go ahead and let go, and it's back into pairing mode. Now I have to go to my phone here, and I already see the Beats Solo 4 from before, okay? But I have it back into pairing mode, so if I just had to scan again, we'll rescan it, and then we should, okay, now it appears back up here. So Beats Solo 4, let's tap on that. It says pairing. I get a pairing request here. I'm gonna tap on pair. And then we should be connected here. It says Beats Solo 4. It says connected for calls and audio. Now, once you're connected, on one side of the buds here, you have volume up, you can see, or volume down. And you have play, pause in the middle. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't connect or you had pairing problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below.